Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to today's market color session. This is just the New York market color session, and we're just going to be going through the recap of what was analyzed during the London market color session. Coming to the weekly time frame on DXY. Beg your pardon. Good afternoon, profitable traders. Good afternoon again. Welcome to the New York market color session for today's analysis, right? Being the 29th of October 2025. Starting off with DXY on the weekly time frame, I beg your pardon. We have seen that price has been bearish, and we're expecting to see price increase all the way to the left shoulder at 107.490. And coming down to the daily time frame, let's see what that has for us. We've been seeing structure to the upside, and I am speculating that price should clear out the high right here, the high at 99.520. Right, so there's still room for the DXY to trade to the upside. Still room for the DXY to trade to the upside and clear out the high right here. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame also, is liquidity residing at this double top. I expect to see price come to sweep, right? Expect to see price trade all the way to the upside and sweep liquidity residing at this double top. On the 1-hour time frame also, on the 1-hour time frame, I'm expecting more push to the upside. Let's see if there's entry on the 15 minutes time frame. It's not so obvious on the 15 minutes time frame. The entry, if it is not obvious, it is dubious. But on the 5 minutes time frame, I can actually spot the classic box pattern shoulder right here at 98.716. Sweep to the downside, root to the upside. We want to see price retrace all the way to the left shoulder at 98.716. I want to see price trade into that level. I want to buy DXY. If you have questions, you can start typing in questions. And on GBP USD, let's see what price has done. The weekly time frame, we actually said we were expecting to see price trade into the left shoulder right here. Long term, of course. So there's the left shoulder at 1.24888. There's a sweep to the downside. There's a break to the upside. I want to see price retrace right back into the left shoulder and buy off that level. Coming down to the daily time frame also. In daily time frame, I'm seeing structure more to the downside, and of course, price wants to target this low. The low at 1.32063 is where price wants to trade into. Down to the 1-hour time frame, looking out for entries. I want to see price do this. I want to see price retrace all the way to the left shoulder at 1.33481. There's a fair value gap also, 2 points of interest. Fair value gap and left shoulder. Price should retrace right back into that level. Once that happens, I'm willing to keep selling GBP USD. On the 5 minutes time frame, let's see if we can actually get something to, trade the retracement, right? because we want to price will most likely retrace right back into the left shoulder at 1.33481, right, before selling to the downside. On the 5 minutes time frame, let's see. There's no entry yet in the 5 minutes time frame, so we'll just keep watching the market and probably analyze other pairs to look out for entries. On Euro USD, let's see what price does for us. On the weekly time frame, price should probably retrace right back into the left shoulder at 1.06629. Right, shoulder sweep break, return right back into this left shoulder, and once that happens, I'm looking out to buy. And on the daily time frame also, right, structure is more to the downside, so we expect to see more moves. And on daily time frame, GU is actually approaching this low, but we keep seeing that EU has just been stalling and is not moving with so much momentum as GU. GU has sold and EU is still stalling. I'm targeting this low for price to take out the low at 1.15779 on the 4-hour time frame for Euro USD. Now to the 1-hour time frame, let's see what price is doing. Pretty much this low has been taken out. I'm expecting to see more sales to the downside in 5 minutes time frame that can actually spot the classic box pattern, shoulder sweep break. We are speculating that price should return right back into the left shoulder at 1.16527. And once that happens, I will be more than willing to sell Euro USD. Please, if you have questions at this point, it's a good time to ask your questions. Or if you have a different bias from everything that has been analyzed, please feel free to type in the chat box. And while you're doing that, I'd like to announce that registration for TFX bootcamp training is currently ongoing. Send us a message on 081-6099-5030 to get started with the enrollment. And also the Falcon 2.0 bot leasing service is on. If you are a busy professional who doesn't have the time to sit at your screen and analyze the market all day, this is a good point to start. You need a minimum equity of $1,000, right? And all you need to pay is $50 for your subscription, and we will plug your accounts to our AI-powered solution. For more information on that, send us a message on 081-6099-5030. If there are no questions, we're going on a very brief break, and CJ will be coming up for the second segment of today's market color session. Cheers and God bless.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the market call for today. Let's take a quick look at gold, GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, and then we'll be done. Okay. So for gold, we saw that early in the morning, we're looking to take a buy on gold, citing the fact that we wanted to see gold sell before we take a buy. And we can see that none of the two triggered. We didn't get any trigger for any of our positions. Instead, gold went ahead to take out this high, which is very interesting for us because right now we'll be looking for more buys. So right now, I will not be looking to sell it again from this particular place anymore. Instead, I will be looking to sell it from here. So this is where I would want to sell gold from. So I want to take a sell. So I want to buy gold from rather, not sell. So I want to take gold from here. I want to take a buy from here and then ride it all the way up. So this is what I'm expecting to now play out on gold. Since it didn't sell off as we expected, so we're expecting it to give a short retracement to this level here, and then we'll be selling it, or we'll be buying it rather all the way to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting to now play out on gold. So we thought to bring that information and update to you. Now on to GBP JPY. Surprisingly, GBP JPY, we were expecting it to buy, but it didn't give any clear entry signature. So we didn't make so much effort to look for a buy on GBP JPY. Mind you, we're also validating it with the fact that it didn't break here. So for GBP JPY, we said we were looking for a buy. However, we wanted to see it break before we take the buy. So we can see that it didn't play out exactly as we wanted. So we just stayed out of that GBP JPY buy. Then for Euro JPY, you will also see that it has just been playing around our entry because we said we were looking for an entry somewhere around here. Let me show you the exact entry that showed up right here. Okay. So this engulfing candle right here was where the entry happened. So the entry, I think it should be here with a 20 pip stop on Euro JPY. So you can see that Euro JPY has just been playing around since morning. That refused to give us the entry, and then it gave the entry and then it moved up a little, but it has not just given us a good exit that we would want. So we're still in the Euro JPY buy. Now it is heading to the stop loss. If it stops us out, like I said, we'll be looking for another entry around here instead. If that one doesn't work, we'll look for one around here. So let's keep waiting for Euro JPY to clear out. Once it's finally decides to start buying, it would be in good profits by then. So we're just waiting for Euro JPY to continue buying. If it doesn't continue buying from here, then maybe somewhere around here, it should give us a good buy setup. And if that plays out, we'll be taking our buy on Euro JPY all the way to the upside. Remember, this is our target. We're targeting the high of this week, which is somewhere around here. Okay, so this is what we're expecting to play out on Euro JPY. So I thought to bring this update with you. Not so much has happened in the markets. We've been having quite slow days, quite the number of slow days this week, and we're expecting that more volume is going to resume in the market and give us a good push of price to the upside. So these are the things that we're expecting, and we hope they finally play out in line with what we anticipated. Okay. All right. So for the gold buy, let me just revisit it before we end the session. For the gold buy, I'm looking to see a buy from 3980, somewhere around 3980, this region here. I'm expecting a buy on gold from there. So if it plays out into that area, we'll be taking our buys to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting to play out on gold. Okay. All right. So I believe I've answered all the questions. All right. So going to be ending today's market right away, and then we'll be resuming tomorrow morning, GMT +1, 8:30 a.m. to have the New York, so the morning market follow for tomorrow. Until then, wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.